quick new feature update under payments invoices. You can now add setup fees under recurring invoices. So the way it used to be is, let's say you have a service, you have a monthly fee, but also there's a setup fee, a one-time setup fee at the very beginning. So let's say, I don't know, $5,000 a month, and the setup fee is 200, whatever your price points might be. Before today, all you had to do is you had to send out two invoices. One was for the one-time fee, right, the $200, the setup fee, and then there's another invoice for the recurring endless payments, right? So now you can kind of put them both under the same. And what you need to do, obviously, you need to have a product set up under the product section where you have like a recurring product and also with the setup fee in it. And then what you do here is you go to all invoices, new recurring template. And over here, you would need to scroll down to add an item just to show you what it looks like. I think this one was recurring. Yeah, so once you select one of the recurring fee kind of structured products that also have a setup fee, you can see here under the first invoice, you'll have two sections, right? The monthly one and the one-time fee one. But the next invoice, this thing will be scrapped. So it'll be only the 5,000 or 500 or 50, whatever it is per month, right? In your case. So this is like a one-time thing, right? In the next invoice, it'll be taken out automatically. You don't have to worry about it. So that is the short version. It's a good thing. Save time. Just do one invoice, right? You don't have to do two separate ones. It makes it easier for the end user as well. So definitely go make sure to check that out under payments invoices. And if you have any questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related for that matter, go click on here, 24/7 chat support. Let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. Also, obviously, for VIP clients, you can schedule a VIP call if you have more than a couple questions. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you next video. Bye.